Welcome back to Sparrowpod, the podcast where serious global goals meet fun and honest conversations. Today we are diving into SDG 16, peace, justice, and strong institutions. It sounds intense, but don't worry. No courtrooms, no long lectures, and absolutely no falling asleep. Joining us today are Abu Bakr and Yahya, ready to talk about peace and justice without turning it into a heated debate. So get comfortable, turn up the volume, and let's jump straight in, Starpot style. Question 1, Yahya. If peace had a mute and unmute button, do you think the world keeps pressing the wrong one?
Yes, I think the world often presses the wrong button instead of being understanding and patient. They get angry and then fight. If we listen more, peace would be easier to unmute.
Wow, that's a very logical answer. I did not expect that answer. You make me look into other ways. Question 2, Abu Bakr. Justice is supposed to be fair. But why does it sometimes feel like life is clearly playing favorites?
Justice should be fair because it often feels biased because not everyone have the same power or opportunities.
Yes, I completely agree. Question 3, Yahya. Strong institutions sound complicated. How would you explain them to someone who thinks institutions are just very large buildings?
Strong institutions are not large buildings but are fair systems. There are rules and organizations that make sure everybody is treated equally. What that is so society stays safe and organized.
That's a very good answer. Question 4, Abu Bakr. Conflicts happen everywhere, from global issues to group projects. What is one peaceful solution that actually works?
There is one peaceful work solution, that is we should be hearing first everyone's opinion and then which one is the best opinion so we can choose it and it will end it in the peace. Or else if we don't listen it now, so it will very angry, everyone will fight. So the peace one is the best.
Yes, everyone's opinions does matter.
Yes.
Yes, that's a very good answer. Question 5, Yahya. How can young people stand up for justice without turning every conversation into an unwanted lecture?
Young people can stand up for justice by setting good examples, talking calmly, being patient and respectful.
Talking it out is the way. Very good answer. Question 6, Abu Bakr. If you could instantly fix one problem related to peace or justice in society, what would it be and why?
I would, if I would solve the peace and the justice, so I would first gather all the opinions that everyone is giving, because if we gather all the opinions and which one is the right, I feel so that that one will be the peace and the justice ka.
I get it, you're a group person. Nice. And just like that, this episode of Sparrowpod comes to an end. Today's discussion reminds us that peace keeps societies calm, justice keeps them fair, and strong institutions prevent chaos. SDG 16 shows us that change does not always start with grand actions, it begins with everyday choices.
Yes.
Choosing dialogue over conflict, fairness over shortcuts, and respect over division. Thank you for listening to Sparrowpod. Until next time, keep thinking critically and working toward a more peaceful and just world.